Hello friends, Chef Dr. Margie here. Today I'm going to be making some pork loin chops using the sous vide cooking method.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
Let's get started. While this water has been heating in the multi-cooker for the last 40 minutes, these chops have been marinating in the fridge for the last 2 hours using bourbon and soy sauce, and at the end of the video is the recipe card with the complete cooking instructions. You need to remove as much of the marinade as possible, as well as air, and then reseal the bag, and then we'll put it in the multi-cooker. And when putting it in the multi-cooker, you need to be sure that the ribbon stays up at the top, that does not go down into the water, but you do want to make sure that the meat is all the way down in the well of water. Okay, we'll go ahead and get started. See, it's set at 160 degrees and the 2 hours. And we'll come back and check on it in 2 hours. Welcome back. And now I'm going to sear these in the cast iron pan for a couple of minutes, just to give them a little extra flavor. And I had the pan preheating. I used Pampered Chef kitchen spritzer to just add minimal amount of oil. And I'm going to add a little bit to the top of these also. And there's a little bit of the liquid from the sous vide process that I added in here as well. And we'll flip these over. And these will be ready in a couple of minutes, and you could serve them with your favorite side dishes. And here you have Chef Dr. Margie's sous vide bourbon chops. To your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit, to your health and wealth.